Audio Jungle.
Opinions expressed by two development professionals, Siddhant Kumar and Ayushi Sarkar. The Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana is a flagship scheme of Government of India which promises to provide affordable housing to every poor by 2022. The initiative is touted as the biggest welfare scheme to provide housing facility supported by a tagline, Housing for All. The Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban and the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin are designed to address the needs of houseless poor of urban and rural India respectively. The government success rate in rural housing scheme is 62.25% and in urban India it's nearly 92%. According to the data, the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin.nic.in, the MORD target is 2,17,65,656 and the houses constructed are 1,35,48,814. But why doesn't the report highlight the picture behind these numbers? Why always the qualitative aspects are ignored and underrated with respect to the quantitative figures? Do the houses made under the highly lauded scheme really offer a better life? Now, of course, better life carries a lot of subjectivity, and you may argue by saying that they are now at least better off in comparison to the erstwhile situation. But come on, don't be so compromising. It's not a philanthropy after all, but the countrymen who are deprived deserves better off. Let us discuss the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin in a deeper sense, and not just on what the reports have highlighted till now. Housing for All had been one of the major instruments of poverty alleviation and received a lot of focus from the government since independence. The Rural Housing Initiative started with Indira Awas Yojana IAY in January 1996, but had flaws in maintaining the transparency. It also provided compromised quality of houses. The Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin restructured the Indira Awas Yojana to address the gaps of Indira Awas Yojana and to provide a dignified living to all rural households. This program aims at converting all the kacha houses to pakka houses. It provides financial assistance to upgrade the people who had been living a life in dilapidated houses and construct a house of quality for their personal living. Turning kacha house to pakka not just means a strong exterior, but includes all the basic amenities like water, sanitation, electricity, efficient cooking fuel, sewage treatment, etc. This scheme has changed the lives of many. This scheme gives more focus on the quality of house construction. The Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin scheme implementation and monitoring is carried through an end-to-end e-governance model using Awas Soft, which helps in monitoring all the functions from selection of beneficiaries to providing construction assistance to the beneficiaries. The Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin also monitors through community participation, central and state government officials, national level monitoring, etc. The beneficiaries is assisted with a list of house designs and features such as disaster resilience features, house suitable for the local geoclimatic conditions, etc. This helps to ensure that the beneficiaries do not overconstruct in the initial stages of building the house, resulting in incomplete construction of house, or the beneficiary being forced to borrow money in order to complete the house. However, despite all these silver linings, there exist some concerns which perhaps can only be noticed if one has the willingness to explore beyond the figures and stats being showcased. The ground story depicts altogether a different picture. The image depicts the dilemma faced by one household in Dhenkanal district of Orissa. Source: IDR Ground Stories. Rather than traditional mud structures, the new houses being constructed in Hadagri village, Orissa, are made of bricks and concrete as per the guidelines stipulated by Pradhan Mantri Gramin Awas Yojana. It also guides the materials to be used for the construction, along with the typical measurements, namely the height of the roof, the floor base, etc. In summer, temperature usually crosses 40 degrees centigrade, and the traditional mud houses are designed to help keep the heat out and the interiors cool. Villagers struggle to adjust to these houses and the hot, unsuitable temperature inside. Apart from the heat and toilet issue, availability of water is also a big concern in many regions, especially in parts of Rajasthan. People from different geoclimatic conditions have to adapt as per their accessibility to water resources. However, if they are to avail of the financing available under the Pradhan Mantri Gramin Awas Yojana, they have no choice but to build these modern houses. A major challenge also exists in form of cash crunch for construction of these houses, as the amount being paid, approximately 1,20,000 INR, becomes a meager sum for making a well-structured, sunny and airy house. Hence, the quality is compromised in majority of the cases. Although assistance is said to be provided to ensure that beneficiaries do not overconstruct in the initial stages, but no proper information flows to the beneficiaries. One not only needs to tell the beneficiaries but also needs to make them understand about the financial assistance provided. Here is the picture of the incomplete house under the Pradhan Mantri Gramin Awas Yojana in the Naudabera village, Patodi block, Barmar, Rajasthan. The beneficiaries share emotional stories regarding their houses being incomplete and they do not have enough money to complete the construction of the house. The house does not even suffice the basic needs and the heat is unbearable due to the lack of proper ceiling. The approach of the scheme should have been bottom to top approach, where houses could be built keeping in mind the needs of the people belonging to the geoclimatic condition. Instead of pushing one's idea of development, proper survey should be conducted where houses be built in the way that serves actual development. The scheme in the rural area tends to make the dwellers feel sandwiched between their choices and these half-baked schemes. Hence, the targets of housing for all would definitely look great in numbers, but the promised living conditions are yet to be manifested in new houses constructed under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana.